Okay, so our last session for the Cloud Security Alliance meetup as people walk in. Our last session will be a series of fast talk, 10 minutes each. Oz was supposed to be here and moderate this and basically help you guys to understand what is going next, but he fell sick, so I'm going to replace him. So without any further ado, 10 minutes conversation, different topics, and I'd like to welcome my dearest friend Yael as the first one.
Hi, everyone. I imagine a world where my customers and executives sleep well at night, not because there are no security threats or risks, but because they know we got their back. They know they can rely on us. And that peace of mind let them focus on what really drives them: business growth and increased revenues. That peace of mind comes from two things: trust and best-in-class security. That's the world that I wake up to build every day. My name is Yael Shainberg Vaknin, and I'm the CISO at eshOS, a cloud-native autonomous core banking platform that is going to disrupt the banking industry. When I joined eshOS, there was great product vision, infrastructure, code, and lots of enthusiasm and innovation. But there was no security at all, none. I built from scratch a banking-grade security that passed rigorous audits in stressing timelines. And recently, we received Bank of Israel approval to go live. This is not just security. This is best-in-class security. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you 3 ways to elevate trust and become a true enabler of innovation and business growth. These practices shaped how we design security at eshOS, and they can be implemented in any organization that wants security to serve business growth. So the first thing is execution. Trust begins with execution. You need to walk the talk, deliver what you promise, execute on your work plan. Because every time you deliver on a roadmap milestone, or mitigate a risk on time, or push a feature that meets security standards as you set, you reinforce reliability. And security stops being an obstacle and becomes a partner. Constant execution creates predictability. And predictability builds confidence, which is the foundation of trust. So execution is not about being perfect. It's about being dependable. And dependable teams earn trust faster than brilliant teams that miss milestones. The second thing is security by design. We made proactive prevention the standard. Security by design is the heart of our transformation. We don't just fix problems. We redesign the way the organization thinks. For instance, we integrated threat modeling and security reviews for every new feature and product. This is not formality. This is a gate to approval. We aligned security to the speed of development. We integrated security controls into the CI/CD pipeline. Developers get immediate feedback. And in this way, security happens in real time instead of at the end. We dedicated capacity for security fix every sprint. Security issues are not pushed aside. We ensure time allocation for fixing security issues every sprint. Team knows that security has a place in their priorities. And for the first time, we started talking in terms of SLAs. The organization moved from working on a best effort basis to defined expectations. Timelines, severity levels, and ownership became clear. We understood that reactive security fails at scale. Fixing issues after they happen is slow and expensive. And our customers don't want to know that we respond well, they want to know that we prevent well. So at eshOS, security stopped being a last-minute fix. It became the way we build. And the third thing is clarity. People cannot follow you if they don't understand your vision or what you want. Clarity creates alignment and reduces frictions. And to create that clarity, we define what good looks like, not in vague guidelines, but with clear and actionable processes and standards. We introduced new processes such as sprint planning routines, pipeline security processes, and incident response program. We introduced new metrics that gave teams for the first time a shared language for decision making. And we also invested heavily in communication, both inbound communication, that means listening first, understanding how the teams work, what constraints they face, what tools they use. And only after we understand their reality, we can design a process or a standard that truly fit. So when teams know exactly what is expected, security becomes a shared language. I want to close with a quote of Chaim Weizmann, the first president of the State of Israel. And he said, ניסים מתרחשים לפעמים, אבל צריך לעבוד בפרך עבורם. Miracles do happen sometimes, but we need to work damn hard for them. So, by executing on our roadmap, building security by design, and creating clarity, we give our customers and executive small miracles. We give them the peace of mind they need in order to do what matters most to them, making money and business growth. And that is the real power of best-in-class security. Thank you.